Straddling the equator north of Sumatra, northwest of Australia, east of Singapore, and south of the Philippines, Borneo is shared by 3 countries: Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. The Malaysian part, also known as East Malaysia, is divided into 2 states, Sarawak and Sabah. Jungle Jaunts, our choice for an ultimate adventure getaway, allows you to explore all of East Malaysia, Borneo Island, including Sarawak, the southern state, and Sabah, the northern state. Tour operator Jody Waldron has expanded her offerings to include the cosmopolitan capital city of Kuala Lumpur on Peninsula West Malaysia, as well as the tiny country of Brunei, sandwiched between Sabah and Sarawak. However, Jungle Jaunts' main focus is on the rich diversity found in Sabah and Sarawak and the island of Borneo. Sarawak is home to 27 diverse indigenous cultures, and Sabah is home to over 30. Malaysia can lay claim to the world's oldest rainforests. What an adventure! And English is widely spoken. Malaysians are known for their friendliness. Even strangers on the street will make you feel welcome. Representatives of almost all of Sarawak's indigenous cultures are found in Kuching, the capital city of Sarawak. Some living very cosmopolitan lifestyles, and others living in rural areas in the longhouse communities and in the rainforest. Sarawak's beautiful resort area of Damai Beach can be enjoyed as well. Many trails for jungle trekking can be found in the many national parks, surprisingly close to this cosmopolitan city, with its 5-star hotels and upscale shopping malls. You can still go caving, snorkeling, scuba diving, or just relax on the beach. Jungle Jaunts has a variety of tours to fit every interest. You can also see Borneo's famous but threatened orangutans at their Orangutan Rehabilitation Center, where semi-wild, confiscated orphans and injured adults are brought to be rehabilitated in the hopes of being returned to the wild. Both of these reserves are only a 40-minute drive from the city of Kuching, but they are worlds apart. Because of this cultural diversity, Kuching is an ideal place for visiting indigenous tribes in their longhouses and for purchasing native handicrafts from each of the many indigenous cultures. An enormous variety of goods are on display in the craft shops lining the picturesque waterfront. Sabah is also known for its world-class diving. It also offers totally different wildlife experiences as you travel in a boat down the river and see wildlife along the riverbanks. Well, there you have it, an extraordinary ultimate adventure getaway, thanks to Jungle Jaunts. You can visit them online at junglejaunts.com to book a tour or to get further information.